Hi friends, you can create a stunning business websites in minutes using WordPress. What you need to do, just select a perfect WordPress theme. And for selecting a perfect WordPress theme, you are watching a correct channel, that is on WP Themes channel. You can compare and select hundreds of themes. So in this video, I have a wonderful WordPress theme, Roneous, and it is a creative multi-purpose WordPress theme. What is amazing in this theme? So it gives us multiple pre-made websites, first of all. So you can target any type of website using this theme, Roneous. You can create business agency, startup, music, lyrics, digital technology, and even the online shop. So of course, e-commerce website, start selling and the premium. So this one is really good. All the stunning layouts you can get here, and all modern websites you can target with this theme, and even modern, clean in look and stunning in design. All perfectly crafted, all the designs suits well to the category, business category that you are willing to create. And this is Ronia's, and the theme has got already wonderful reviews from the existing users and the good number of sales. And another great thing with this theme is it is available just for $15 through the video description link, and it is coming from a elite author. And the theme has been developed by Theme Logi, and it came into existence in 2016. Regular updates are also going on time to time. So let us start creating a wonderful websites using the Roneous WordPress theme, and I am ready with all three basic requirements. The hosting, this is shared hosting that I am using always, and you can also avail the same through the WP Themes website. Again, you have to follow the link. I have already installed the WordPress core with the default WordPress theme. I'm here, and yes, so it is, and the website with the default WordPress theme 2024 is looking like this. We can target any type of website using this theme that we are going to overview in this video. I have shown you some layouts, and you can explore others through the link given in the video description. And you have to buy the theme at themeforest.net through the description link, and you can join the iCreate program for free once you buy the theme through the link. iCreate program gives you all the options to create performing website with the help of mentors. So don't skip is exploring this option, and I believe you are already a subscriber to this channel. If not, consider subscribing if you are really interested in creating great websites. So let us start without any further delay, and I'll show you the theme pack, what I got in the theme pack. In the theme pack, I have this installable theme file, the child theme, some plugins also included like Visual Composer and the framework, the Revolution slider. And the sample data is also here. So okay, so in XML and all formats we have sample data as well. So we can go with this, the installable theme file, and I can see the theme file size is 20 MB. So what I do, I will start installing the theme using this appearance option and clicking on add a new theme, upload theme. Here we need to choose the installable theme file, that is roneous.zip. Simply select this, click on install now. Theme file size is 20 MB, so it may take a while because on an average I have seen the most of the theme remains at below 15 MB, but it is 20 MB, it is fine, not a worry. Just in case if the front end loading option, front end installation option through the WordPress interface is not working at your host, and you can simply upload the theme using the file manager, since we have all the access at the cPanel or even whatever panel you might be using at your hosting. So you can upload the theme file using the file manager, directly go to the website domain and go to the WP content here, themes, and you can upload the theme here in this directory. So I have chosen to upload the theme from the WordPress interface. Let us see how much time it takes. It will hardly take a minute. I'm using a simple shared hosting plan, and I also am on a very simple internet speed. So theme has been installed successfully. So this is the beauty of hosting plan that we are using. You can also avail the same. Don't miss the chance. Explore the WP Themes website hosting tab. Theme is installed. We can go to the theme page. Roneous is here to check the details. This is Roneous version 2.0.7. Again, so you will be getting updated version and always new version at WP. Through the link in the video description, and you have to buy the theme at themeforest.net for updated version always. And I'm using the latest release, however. So let us activate the theme, and upon activation, we have this alert that we need to install certain plugins in order to get the complete functionality of the theme. Only 4 plugins? Okay, 5. And WooCommerce is here. This is the framework, and the WPBakery is the page builder that has been used, the contact form 7 and the Revolution slider. All great plugins, very less number of plugins. It means we are going to get a stable website with using this theme, since it has less dependency on external plugins or even plugins. So I have chosen to install all 5 plugins in a single attempt. Let us see if it works. It will install all the listed plugins here. It may take some time, a while or so. Let us see. Okay, great. So all green marks are here. It means all the plugins have been installed successfully, and I can see all the activation had also been completed. So we don't need to do anything regarding the plugin installation and activation. All has been installed and activated successfully without any doubt. All green marks you can see here, and the theme installation is really going smooth as of now. And I'm coming back on the dashboard, and on the dashboard I interacted with the setup wizard. Oh, okay. Basically this is WooCommerce. Just in case if you are targeting e-commerce website with Roneous, you can set up and complete the setup. So I am willing to show you the optimal things, maximum things. So I'll complete this setup as well. And okay, so select the industry, whatever maybe, and just taking the default things, and you can choose your applicable things. I am not going to install any of these plugins. So I can continue here, turning on the lights. The O team is made up of okay, so wonderful. The WooCommerce is also installed and setup is complete now. At the dashboard again. And here I'm going to refresh this page just to check how our website is looking now. It is Roneous, and the website is clean and clear as of now because it don't have any content. What is next? You have to import the demo content, and I'll show you all these links, all these additional links that we got in this setup. But first of all, let us complete the demo installation. So under appearance, I can see there is an option, install demo. I'll choose this. And notes, please check the import only once, click on import only once. And okay, so these are some instructions, so you can read all these instructions. No existing post, pages, category, images, custom post types, or any other data will be deleted or modified. Make sure you have installed all the required plugins before running the importer. So okay, this is fine. So I'm simply clicking on import, and now demo content import processes begin. So we cannot close the browser, we cannot hit the back button, or even refresh the installation screen. This is the screen, and what we can do, we can open the media library in another tab just to check if we are getting images here. So we are getting placeholder images. It is not a worry. If we are getting images here, it means the demo import process is going fine, and we just need to wait. So it is good idea to have the placeholder images, because placeholder images gives us idea the dimension of images that we actually need to use at our website. Ultimately, we have to change all the images from the demo website, and we have to place our own images. Just in case, if you are willing to use this image exactly what has been shown in the demo, you can download the image from the actual demo, and that is available through the link in the video description, and you can use this image, but you have to consider the copyright issues. Okay, but yes, the import process is going fine, and I can refresh this page just to check the increment of number of images. 17 was there, now it is 36. It means it is going fine, and I got MP4 file as well. Let us see how much time it takes. It will hardly take around 4 or 5 minutes, hardly. So I'll tell you the exact time what it has taken for me, and it depends on your server capacity, internet speed, and all such dependent factors as well. But you have to show your due patience here. Okay, so my demo import is complete, and I got the complete website. Only the images are placeholder. It is sure. cleared and during the demo import itself. So I got 118 published pages, and if we talk about the home pages, I got all the home pages here. We can use any of these home pages, and just we need to select the home pages. Like if it is business agency, we can simply have this business agency page or whatever you want to target. So you can simply target with the pre-made page, and you just need to replace the image and content and you'll be fine. So it is very clear and smooth installation. And if we talk about the media, so first of all, I'll show you the how many pieces are here. Okay, so some media was included here, but yes, mostly are 126 media items are here, mostly are placeholder only. And now we can consider this as installation remains successful. This is my home page. In fact, this is landing page which also links all the home pages options that the theme offers, and this is the complete installation, no doubt. So we have got all the things that we need to have to start the customization of the website. Okay, so now I'm going to show you the basic things, what is available with the theme and how we can proceed customizing our website. And I'll show you only the new things, like we have Roneous customize option here. This is basically, I believe this is going to be the theme panel, and the customize option is going to and the customize itself. So default WordPress customizer. And okay, so this is the site identity, and we can control the colors. This is basic background image and header, footer, and all such basic things that we need to control. And I'll come back. Next, I can see the portfolio, which is the new link and even team members. So you can handle the existing portfolio. You have to delete all the demo data either, or you can edit the existing, overwrite your content here. So it is totally up to you how you want to proceed, and it is all available. Similarly, client can be handled through the client options, and nothing new. All things are as common as in WordPress, so nothing like special. But yes, we got the complete home pages, and we can start customizing the home pages layout and style that we started. So I'm randomly showing you one, so all pages, and I'll go to the home in of the home page first of all. So and okay, so like if we are taking business agency as our home page, so I'm going to view this page first of all. Just open the page that you want to edit, and you can start editing your content. So this area is the slider revolution area, and you have to upload your slider elements in the revolution slider. So I'll show you the revolution slider first, and this is the revolution slider. All the sliders also imported in the demo content. You just need to place the images as in the size shown in the demo. So close news, and these are the sliders. So blog slider 1, 1, 2, whatever is being used. And further, you can start editing your rest of content using the WPBakery page builder. So this is the page builder, and it is again going to be super simple using the WPBakery, and you can start editing your content. So front end loader and the back end loader both works fine. So you can choose whatever is going to be convenient for you. If you are editing the header settings, so you can simply click on the pencil icon and you'll be able to edit all the content. Similarly, all the content area can be edited, added or removed as per your requirement, as per your layout plan. It is going to be simple, and you can create a stunning business website using the Roneous WordPress theme, and the theme is just available for $15. So grab this opportunity. It is a wonderful theme. However, it is giving you the basic structure. You might be thinking you have not received the images like this. So I have given you the idea how you can proceed with the customization, and you can target any of these websites. So there are multiple layouts. Okay, great. So we created and overviewed this website using the Roneous WordPress theme, and this is a creative multi-purpose WordPress theme, and you can start creating a business website using this theme with all the set of home pages. There are many home pages being offered at the theme demo. You can choose any of these layouts. Multiple layouts are here. So it is going to be perfect suit for your business website. In the next video, I'm coming with more resources. Thanks for watching. Keep building.